Hi everybody, I recently got this Profusion Mauves palette. I've been meaning to try Profusion for a while. Sorry this is kind of beat up and it still has a price tag on it. I found this in kind of like a not secondhand, but like the makeup's a little older kind of store. Sorry about my nails, I have too many animals for them to stay looking nice. Normally these sell for $6 from the Profusion website. I've worked with this once, really liked it. Thought it was going to be more of a purpley mauve palette, but it's a bit more of a pinky mauve. Gorgeous colors anyway though. They have names on the back. It is cruelty free. This is another one that just is called 10 shade palette. It doesn't say eyeshadow palette because there's probably some eye warnings on here. Especially with the shimmery ones. I don't see anything that like specifically says it, but you can look at the ingredients if you'd like. And it does say discontinue use if signs of rash or irritation occur. I don't know, so be careful if you're sensitive to pigments. But let's get into the swatch. Starting with the top left, I'm gonna go with the first one called Femme. Light pink metallic. Very pretty. Then we've got a matte pink called Kindly. It's kind of blending in with the undertones of my skin. These are going to look different depending on your skin type. So just because they're not showing up or popping as much on my skin doesn't mean they wouldn't for yours. The middle shimmer at the top is called Ooh La La. Ooh, really nice. I think I picked up a little more pigment on my finger that time, but this metallic is just very opaque. It kind of reminds me of like the Beauty Bay formula, if you've ever used those palettes. And then the next one, Persona, right next to it. Same thing. Very pigmented shimmer. And then this last one called Lovesick. I'm really liking these mattes with just a tiny bit of glitter in it. It is definitely a pink mauve rosy color with a little bit of gold glitter in it. It's not coming out as pigmented as the others right now, but I just am really enjoying those. Alright, bottom row on the left is another shimmer called Opal. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. This is more of a peachy tone. Still technically pink. I'd say it's like a peachy pink. Okay, the next one is a matte called Lovely. And it's not delivering for me as much as I'd like. One in the middle on the bottom is called Explode. It's another matte. So far these shimmers are winning over the mattes, I think. Next one is called Ballad, and this is the most purple of all of the tones in here. It's purpley mauve. And then the last one is called Monsoon. It's definitely the darkest and the brightest, would be used for shading with the rest of this palette. It's the most red. I would not say that's a mauve, but it would be nice for a gradient with this. So definitely some gorgeous shimmers in here. Those seem to have performed, at least with this swatch, better than the mattes. I hope you can see everything okay. I am planning on getting some more of these Profusion eyeshadow palettes, or whatever they're called, soon. So stay tuned for some more swatches and tutorials with these. So thanks for watching. I've got plenty of other swatch videos on this channel. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Bye! Lately, I don't know why that's important to include here. I guess it's not. Hi, baby. Please don't meow. Doing a good job. My cat's like, why are you talking to yourself? I don't know why. He sees me do it all the time. And meaning to